You're watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets. Despite downward pressure, mainly due to European Union concern over the Italian budget, the euro strengthened against the dollar last week. The British pound was very volatile and added slight gains against the dollar in expectations of a final deal between the EU and the UK. This week, the European Council summit will be held, and one of the main subjects will be Brexit negotiations and the long-awaited terms of an EU-UK agreement. The Japanese yen strengthened further against the dollar as the Asian stock market fall boosted demand for safe haven currencies. Overall, the US dollar fell last week on softer inflation and slower retail sales growth in the US. The Turkish lira strengthened on better than expected economic data and the release of the evangelist pastor from Turkish prison. The US dollar-Turkish lira currency pair came close to a 2-month low upon the news. US stocks fell last week. However, the ongoing earnings season is in the spotlight and investors are looking ahead to a slew of company earnings results and expect many companies to beat expectations. Gold prices rose sharply to hit their highest levels since July last week on global stock market turbulences and dollar weakness, breaking through the $1,230 level on Tuesday. Oil prices fell last week on the build-up of US inventories and comments from the Paris-based IEA that global oil demand is satisfied with ample supplies. However, oil traders kept an eye on mounting geopolitical tensions between Saudi Arabia and the US over the disappearance of a prominent Saudi journalist. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.